Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. Today in this video, we will learn how we can add post in our WordPress dashboard. So first of all, you have to go to your WordPress dashboard. Here you can see I am on my WordPress dashboard. Now I will go to posts. Here you can see only one post is published, that is hello world. It is by default by WordPress, so I will delete it. Simple click on trash button so that it can be moved to trash. Here you can see in my post section there is no post now. So I will add new post. First I will click on add new button. Here you can see it is asking for the title. So I will write my title for my first post. I will write it first post. Now I can add different blocks in it. Similar, same as we added in our pages videos. Here you can see I can add paragraph, heading, list, etc. And similarly, I can add image, gallery, cover file, videos. Even I can also add buttons, groups, calendar. You can see all these navigation here, and you can select anything that you have your requirement. So first of all, I will add a heading. Simple, I will drag it and I will drop it here so that I can write heading. I will select heading H1. Now I will write here first paragraph. I am just writing dummy content so that I can see you the changes, how you can add different changes. Paragraph. And now I will add paragraph. So simple, I will paste here dummy content that I already copied. Again, I can here import an image by media library, or you can also upload it from your computer. I will select it from my media library. Here you can see I have selected my banner image. Now you can see heading, paragraph, then image. We can also add a gallery image or calendar. I will select on calendar or button. I clicked on button so that I can add button. Here you can see button is added. Button for home page. And I will link it with my website URL. Here you can see this URL for my website because I am using localhost, and it is added. Open a new tab. If I want to open this new tab, I will select this. If I want the same tab, I will not select it. So here you can see it is turned off. It means that the page will be opened in the same tab. And I will hit the publish button. Again publish. Here you can see first post is now published and live, and I can also visit this post. Here you can see first post is published. So this was the method that how we can add a post in our WordPress dashboard. So it was the method that we can add post in our WordPress dashboard. You can add multiple posts by just creating new post in post section. So you can add new and again add new. You can add multiple posts here and there. You can also select categories. In our next video, I will tell you how we can create category for post and how we can change category for a post. So till now, stay connected with me and thank you. Take care. Bye.